Hi, I'm Jon. Welcome to Sigma Connectivity. Now we're at the Industralization Lab with my colleague Jimmy. Hi. So, Jimmy, tell me, you bridge the gap between product design and actual manufacturing. And most people, they think that designing a product, that's the hard part. But actually manufacturing it at scale, that's quite a challenge, isn't it?
Yes. As you say, designing a product is one thing, but designing it for manufacturability and testing is another challenge. So you have to keep in mind like the cost assurance, the scalability, the quality assurance also is a major factor, because a brilliant concept can just break apart, because when you break it down eventually, it just ain't worth it.
So what do you guys do? What's the first step in this process?
So the first step is the PCBA station, the printed circuit board assembly.
Okay, can you show me?
Yes, it's over here. Essentially what we do here is we supply it with voltage and just test the basic functionality. Just to ensure that it is working, the first phase is done, the PCBA is printed. If we see any issues here, there's no point in moving forward. Then we move over to either the acoustic station or the function station, depending on what kind of device you're using.
Let's take a look at the acoustic station.
Yes. So here we see that previously it was pure PCBA.
Yeah.
Now it's box built.
Box built, that's like the finished product almost.
Exactly, it's almost finished at this stage. So we've put the plastic casing in this case over, and we want to make sure that the microphones or the speakers have been aligned exactly how we want them, to ensure that the quality of the product is as good as we want it to be.
So once you've done with acoustic testing, then what happens?
So this is the user interface testing, basically.
So it like pushes all the buttons?
Yes, so we have all these fingers that come out that push all the buttons, and to ensure that the timing is correctly. So when I push the button, I expect the button to be registered at like a certain pace.
What's next in manufacturing? I've heard a lot about Industry 4.0. What is that?
It's about integrating AI and having smart automated robotic solutions, essentially.
Okay.
We have we're working in-house with our 4.0 project right here, where we have a camera-based visioning system, which identifies everything based on these QR code looking like, we call them fiducial markers.
Fiducial markers, okay.
Yes. So the concept is to make it modular and easy to integrate whatever you're testing. So right now it's identifying this testing fixture, for example, by that fiducial marker. So we're introducing modularity to make it way more cost efficient when it also makes us not have to program fixed positions.
Yeah.
So every time we don't have to reprogram everything entirely, we just use
really
the modularity.
Efficient.
Exactly.
So Jimmy, this has been a fascinating look into the Industrialization Labs. Thank you so much for having us. If you reach out, you can book a lab tour for you and your company and come visit us in person. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. I'm Jon, this is Sigma Connectivity.